everybody, it's me Sissy back today with the Dollar Tree haul. And before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to my friends at Dossier Perfume Madison. They sent me some great perfume, and I know Easter, we just had Easter, but Mother's Day is coming up. All those wedding showers, baby showers, graduation, Mother's Day. Dossier Perfume makes a great gift. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but they did send me some wonderful perfumes to try out. This one is Floral Pink Pepper, and it smells so good, y'all. It is notes of bergamot, lychee, orange, rose, jasmine, pink pepper, blonde woods, and vanilla, and it smells similar to Miss Dior, but it smells so good and is long lasting. So I'm gonna leave a link to their website down below. They have great prices, so check them out if you're looking for a gift for that special person in your life. And I love you gift too, so I would love to get it, but it smells great. But anyway, let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. Okay, I got my table full here, but I don't really have that much stuff. I haven't been getting out the Dollar Tree much lately. My Dollar Trees are transitioned into Dollar Tree Pluses. I did get to go to one store, the one that I usually go to, and they've got a few Dollar Tree Plus things. Some of them look very interesting. I didn't buy anything. But it was nice to see because they are affordable things, and they have some t-shirts and some household items. So if you get a chance, go check out Dollar Tree and look at their Dollar Tree Plus items. And I know their price has gone up to $1.25. That's not really that much when you think about it in the long run. There are some things that I'm going like, I'm not going to pay $1.25 for that, but I would pay $1 for it, so that's kind of crazy. But they still have great values on things, even at $1.25. The one thing that I have noticed is their laundry detergent, which I used to use all the time, has gone from the large container to a little tiny container at $1.25. For me, that's not a good value, so I have stopped buying their laundry detergent. I still pick up their bleach, LA Awesome. This is good bleach. It is not the best bleach in the world. I use this most of the time, maybe once a month or once every 2 months. I do switch over and buy me a big bottle of good Clorox bleach because it is the best bleach you can get. And but this is good for everyday use. But if I get something that's really, really dirty or stinky, like some towels I didn't wash quick enough, or I cleaned up a doggy mess or something, I do like to use the Clorox bleach. But this is good for everyday use. And I do use this when I mop my floors sometimes. If I've got like a dog mistake, I do put this on it and get it cleaned up. But anyway, that's a good value. It's that LA's Totally Awesome bleach. This is the fresh scent, and you get 96 ounces, so it's a good deal. And I picked up, I'm doing some food prep, y'all. It's not cold, but it's rainy here, so I'm going to make some soup. So I got some little containers to store my soup in and do like a meal prep. It's hard to cook for one person. I do have Posey here with me, but she doesn't eat soup, so this is all for me. But I thought I would make some and freeze it. If you're on my other channel, Sissy Does Low Carb, I'm going to be making some low carb stuffed bell pepper soup. But anyway, I know that's a mouthful, but the recipe looks delicious. And I did get these little foil containers here with the lids. I'm going to be making some low-carb chicken parmesan. So I'm going to do them in these, and I don't have to wash bacon dishes. And I can store them in these and use them through the week. And this is 4 containers. It's 2 per pack, and they have the little foil lids. So, and this is great if you're doing a meal for a shut-in or a friend and you just want to take them something. Then you don't have to worry about getting your containers back. So pick those up. Let me get these out of the way. I don't have a lot of stuff, but most of it's kind of bulky and it's taking up a lot of room. So, right here I have the totes from Dollar Tree, and I saw Bargain Bethany, and she said these little clear crystal trays, plastic, they fit right in the top, and that way you can stack them and use them. They're much better for storage when you can stack them. So I thought that was a great idea. I'm trying to organize some stuff in my craft room. So I picked up 6 of those and 6 of these little trays so I can do some storage. But I thought that was a great idea. If you don't watch Bargain Bethany, I don't know how you missed her, but anyway, she has a huge YouTube channel. She does a lot of Dollar Tree hauls and Dollar Tree DIYs. She has some great craft ideas. But anyway, y'all check her out too. I love her channel. But anyway, let's get into my tote here. I've got it full of stuff. And this is all, I kind of got it sorted out, but not sorted all the way. But there's just a few things in here. I always pick up some deodorant. I love their Power Stick, and they do have the Secret deodorants, but they're smaller. This to me is equivalent to the Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, to the Secret, Suave, that kind of thing. But it works good, and I really like it. It has a nice smell. This one's Powder Fresh. I don't have my glasses on, but it's manufactured in the USA, so I got that. And I always pick up my toothpaste from there because I like to switch out my toothpaste, so I don't need a big tube. So this week I got the Max Fresh with Whitening Knockout Colgate. So I always switch up and use the fluoride one, or then use a freshening one or a tartar or whatever. But I like to change them up. That way, I don't know if it helps your teeth or not, but that's what I do. And I always pick up baby wipes. I like to keep these in my car for messes or spills or just hands after you get gas or anything. So keep those in my car. Now I keep these in my restroom, at home and at work. These are great. Keep you fresh if you get, you know, everybody wants to be fresh and clean. So I pick these up. These are a great deal. Modest Basic Fresh Scent Feminine Cleansing Wipes. But these are not flushable, so don't flush them. Uh-oh, I had overboard. Knocking things over. And then I picked up the Bolero Facial Wipes Cleanse and Hydrate. Watermelon and an agave nectar. I love their wipes. This is the only thing out of the whole line of Bolero that I do like. Is the face wipes and the hydrating facial mist. I love that. None of their other stuff appeals to me. I don't think their bath bombs and things like that, they don't have any scent, so I just don't get those. But I do like the wipes and the mist and spray. I picked up a Wet n Wild Silk Finish Lipstick. Give it a try. Sometimes these seem to be a little bit dry, but I thought I would give this one a try, and I'll let you know if I like it or not. Because lipstick is so expensive. I went in Walmart and was looking at lipstick, and it's like $10, and I'm like, well, I'm not, you know, I don't want to buy a lipstick for $10 and then I don't like it. And I managed to find some of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula 2-Step Hair Mask. I love these. I found them on Amazon. They are a little pricey on there, so I like to use these once a week if I have them. But these are the best one I've found so far. I love it, especially if you have curly hair and it's dry like mine is. So I've been getting those every time I see them. And then I thought I would do like a little beauty day, and I got a exfoliating foot treatment mask, and then I got the moisturizing foot treatment mask. You know, it's kind of expensive to go, oh, I'm off camera, kind of expensive to go get a pedicure, though I love a pedicure, y'all. But I'm going to give those a try. And then I picked up the Global Beauty Care Collagen Spa Treatment Mask. I like to do like a little mini spa day. Once a week I do my hair mask and a face mask and a foot mask, and I love when I can find the hand mask. You put this like gloves, got lotion in them, and you put them on. I just sit in the tub and fill it up with bubble bath and just sit there and get my Alexa to play me some music and kind of chill out and have a little bit of me time, because we all need a little bit of me time, y'all. It's so stressful. Life is so stressful. I never thought I'd be one of those people who's going to like I'm stressed, but I have been incredibly stressed, and you don't even realize it, I guess, until you know, you see somebody else who has, a friend of mine had a little mini stroke, and it was stress related, but she's had a really stressful time lately, and thankfully, knock on wood, she's doing good. She's home from the hospital and everything, but we got to take time, de-stress. If you got a lot of stress in your life, or a little, even if you don't think it's stress, if you just think it's just the way it is, take some time for yourself, find some me time, chill out, put on some music you like, and just be for a little while. Just sit down and rest. But I picked up this Be Pure under eye mask and lip mask, so I'm gonna give that a try. I'm not sure how this stays on. Y'all, gotta back up a little bit on my glasses on. So it says start with a clean, cleansed and dry face. Put it on, smooth over to keep in place. I must just like kind of like stick on. Keep on for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then rub it in. Oh, I'm gonna give that a try, and I'll let y'all know how I like it after I usually do it on Sundays. I get in there and wash my hair, because I have the curly hair, and it's really, I can't really wash my hair every day, so I wash my hair once a week and deep condition it, and then you know, style it during the week and stuff. So I do all that, and then I'm just gonna sit in the tub and do all these masks, and I'll let you know how it turns out next time I do a video. But anyway, let me get this stuff out of the way, and we can go on to the next little tray of stuff. Let's move this. And my little area very cluttered. Oh, and I don't know if y'all, can you see my shirt? Yeah, I made this shirt. I really love it. Of course, this is me. Life is better with dogs. You know, I feel that way. But anyway, I'm going to do a video and show you how I did this. This is sublimation onto glitter, which is iron-on glitter. So I'll show you how I did that. And this is just a little cheap t-shirt from Walmart. So now I've got some craft stuff in here. I've been really into the making jewelry lately. I love bracelets and earrings, so I picked up the Crafter Square glass beads. This is 1.1 ounces. I got the green variety pack. The I don't know why they put brown with pink and aqua, but I got that one. And then I got the goldy brownie color one. So I picked those up. I'm going to make me some bracelets. And then I was glad to see in the Crafter Square thing they have the supply of sewing needles. And then they have the great big craft needles down here. This is a great buy for $1. And these are self-threading for us blind people. You just kind of like pull the thread on a little thing on the top, and it goes right in, so you don't have to try to thread the needle through the eye. So these are really cool. I picked up 2 packs of those, and they had a lot more sewing things. They had some little pin cushions and different needles, but I thought that was really great. I was glad to see that. And then I picked up the 20-piece resealable little bags from the Crafter Square department. These are great to organize little craft items, beads, or different things like that, little charms and stuff. So, and I got a big bag of charms from Amazon, and it was just a variety pack, and they're all different kinds, so I thought I would sort them out in that. Then I picked up some of the, this is the Offray ribbon, which is, this is a great price, $1 for 3 yards. You won't get that in Hobby Lobby or Michael's for $1. So I picked up 2 rolls of that nice spring, summer colors, green. So I got that. Let's get this out the way. And then I picked up a laundry basket. They are not, Dollar Tree baskets are not the greatest in the world, but they're cheap and they're easy. So I just picked up one in there. When they break, I just throw them away and get a new one. But this is great if you just, you know, I was just 2 of us here, so I have one in my room and then one in Posey's room, and throw the dirties in and bring them in, wash them, and you know, it's not like we're hauling big family loads of laundry in them. But I was at the checkout. Like, I don't really need another notepad, but this one was so cute I had to pick it up, and there's 40 sheets in it. Excuse me. This is Greenbrier. but it says get things done like a boss. So I'm trying to get things done, so I picked this up. Maybe I can get a little organized and write my stuff down in there. And this is all mixed up stuff in here, so I was trying to sort it, but that didn't happen all the way. I picked up the I don't know how to say this, Chatties leg wear, 3-pair nylon little footies. I love to wear these with my low top tennis shoes, you know, so you don't have the socks poking out there. They look kind of cute. But I can't stand to wear them without socks, so I wear these. These are really good, and three pairs for $1. You can't beat that. $1.25, you can't beat that. Then I picked up some automotive glass wipes. These are not the best in the world, but they'll do in a pinch. I like to keep these in my car because I have that screen, you know, for your satellite radio and your backup camera. So I use that to wipe it off with. I was in there and I didn't have any wipes, so I used a baby wipe. Now it's all streaked up and there's so much gunk on it from the baby wipe that I can't hardly do my satellite radio, so I got to clean it. I don't use that. I picked up this cute little headband. I have a friend who has a little baby girl, and she is forever sticking a big bow in her hair, so I thought I'm going to see if I can sublimate on this and maybe put her name on it or something. So I'm going to try that. If it works, I'll show it to y'all. I don't like to show y'all my failures, but I mean, maybe I should, because you know, everything doesn't always go to plan, y'all. So I picked up the LA's Totally Awesome Foaming Bathroom Cleaner with bleach. Spray this in my shower so then you don't have to scrub so much. And I'm to the bottom of my basket here. I picked up the 2-pack of Scrub Buddies scrub sponges. So these are great to do your dishes with or clean up your little messes in the kitchen. And I picked up a can of the Angel of Mine Baby Room Air Freshener. This stuff smells so good. I love it. And while I was in the baby section, I picked up a little pair of socks for my friend's baby. These are 100% polyester, so you're able to, no, I'm sorry, these are 98% polyester and 2% spandex. But you can sublimate print on these, so I'm just going to see if I could do something on them and just do a little gift with the socks and the hairband. And then I picked up a Easter bunny basket, because you know Easter is, when this video goes up, Easter will be tomorrow, so I think this is going up Saturday. But anyway, I picked up a little bunny basket and a little pink baby blanket. I'm going to sublimate on this also, and I'll do a video on all that, and y'all can see that. But anyway, y'all, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. I have a lot of videos coming up. And remember, Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.